In this video, I'm going to show you how to read someone's WhatsApp message without them knowing. Maybe after receiving a message, you don't want to acknowledge receipt of that message. So you don't want the sender to know that you have read the message. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. In your WhatsApp app, navigate to the top right corner where you see this three dot and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings. So this will land you on an interface like this. Among the tons of options, make sure to select on privacy. With this selected, you have a list of options. You'll see last seen and online, profile photo, about, status, as well as read receipt. In this case, since we don't want to acknowledge receipt of messages received, all we have to do is to toggle this off. As you rightly see, if this is turned off, you won't send or receive read receipt. Read receipt are always sent for groups chat. And while this is done, you can go ahead and successfully read anyone's message without them knowing. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.